Hi, this is Salman Khan and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Hey काका, जहां से पकड़ूंगा 5 सेर कोट निकालूंगा।
We have with us today superstar of masses Salman Khan, whose film Veer is rocking the cinema halls all over. Pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Oh, thank you. Bahut bahut shukriya.
How's the feeling that it's being said that it's your biggest opener, even bigger than Wanted?
It feels good because I've written it myself, taken a very keen interest in the movie. It has turned out all right. I wish we could have done a lot more in this film. So it feels good. Single screens are rocking it. Multiplex is not doing. अरे मेरी एक बात समझ में नहीं आता. Single screens के अंदर 300 रुपए का ब्लैक चल रहा है. Multiplex के टिकट है क्या 180, 200. हाँ, हर आधे घंटे के अंदर एक आध शो होता है मल्टीप्लेक्स के अंदर। फिर सिंगल स्क्रीन के अंदर जाके ब्लैक में पिक्चर देखते हो, वो तो ब्लैक वाले के पास पैसा जा रहा है। लेकिन अगर आपको ये घबराहट थी कि मल्टीप्लेक्स में यार बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, तो मल्टीप्लेक्स की टिकट रेट तो ब्लैक वाले से आधी है। एयर कंडीशन भी बराबर है, वहाँ पर डेकोर भी सब अच्छा है, सीट्स भी अच्छे हैं, वहाँ की जो क्वालिटी है, साउंड है, वो भी बहुत अच्छा है। तो वहाँ पे जाके देखो और बताओ कि भैया पिक्चर ऐसे एंजॉय करते हैं।
ये मेरा देश है, अगर मेरे देश की तरफ किसी ने आग भी उठाई तो वीर इतनी तबाही मचाएगा जो अकाल और भूकंप भी नहीं मचा पाएंगे।
In fact, in Rajasthan, there have been reports that people have been kind of putting garlands on your cutouts and all. This happens only in South India. This is a rare thing. In fact, the marathon which was there in Jaipur, I believe there was total stampede. Even in Hyderabad, there was a stampede.
That was very funny. I went there to do that, the flag off. वहाँ से कोई हिला ही नहीं है, कोई भागा ही नहीं। तो फिर जिसने वो फ्लैग ऑफ किया उसको भागना पड़ा वहाँ से। There for about 15-20 minutes, no one is running, so the organizer says कि भैया आप चले जाओ जब तक आप यहाँ पे कोई भागेगा नहीं। Which is that lot of respect, from the fans, बहुत खुशी होती है। तो वहाँ से मुझे निकल जाना पड़ा।
On Bollywood Hungama, we've got user movie review that we're getting on Bollywood Hungama is 4.0. I've got a few user movie reviews as to what people are saying.
You know what I believe कि जितने भी critics हैं, they should see the film with the audience, and then make their judgment. If you see the film alone, कहीं ना कहीं एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है, अपने आप को चौधरी समझते हैं। हालांकि किसी ने एक पिक्चर बनाई भी नहीं है, पिक्चर की समझ भी नहीं है उनको, एक पोस्ट मिल गया, एक जगह मिल गई है, तो वो लिखते जाते हैं जो उनके मन में आता है, व्हाट दे फील। तो दे शुड सी द फिल्म विद द ऑडियंस, ताकि समझ में आए कि ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन क्या होता है। इवेंचुअली ऑडियंस से चलती है ना। और कोई ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो कि ये 1-2 स्टार्स 5 स्टार्स देख के पिक्चर देखने चले जाते हैं। आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड बिलीव इन दैट। आप अपना खुद का जजमेंट लगाओ, आप पिक्चर देखो, उसके बाद आप डिसाइड करो कि भैया कि पिक्चर अच्छी है नहीं है। अदरवाइज हम लोग गवर्नमेंट को बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स देते हैं, सुबह 45-50% एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स देते हैं हम लोग। अगर कोई पिक्चर बहुत ही गंदी है तो आप ऑडियंस के साथ देखो, बहुत ही अच्छी है तो आप ऑडियंस अब उसको इनकरेज करो, लोगों को बोलो कि भाई जाके पिक्चर देखें, ताकि गवर्नमेंट को पैसा मिलेगा, पिक्चर चलेगी, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ऊपर आएगी, बजट्स बढ़ेंगे, पिक्चर अच्छी बनना शुरू होगी। तो अपने आप को चौधरी ना समझ के एक इंडस्ट्री का एक रेवेन्यू मत काटो।
I'll take up one of the review of the users in fact. And this is Kanti Suthar, and he says that first half was superb, Hollywood-like treatment, nice and decent story, nice song, action is superb, special effects are truly beautiful, makes movie beautiful, complete family entertainer, long time movie to be watched with family.
The intention was that only, yeah. But the intention was that change that whole format of period films that we've done. Period films are very serious, dialogue bazi, language समझ में नहीं आता, लंबी चलती है। तो I wanted a film from high point to high point. That is the reason why the film was 2 hours 36 minutes long, from which I cut again 2 minutes. I didn't want the film to be boring in any place. I wanted children, from children to great parents to see it. Even the action was not very gruesome. It is a father and son's film. It is basically I have come back to Mithun, as father has come back to Mithun as his son, and then I have come back to Mithun as his grandson.
Any chance for a sequel as well? Right?
No. I'm done with we'll do something else, but and it's a father-son love story. It's
in fact, that is one thing that people have appreciated big time. Your chemistry with Mithun Chakrabarti.
Yeah. We've tried our best. Yeah, we tried to make it as clean as possible. We tried to do our best to this film. Some places which later on I will tell you guys that where I felt that this could have been done better. But when you see the whole film in totality, everything goes well. So it's just a format change of, people used to, even warriors at that time, they used to laugh They used to love. They had a life. I mean, they were not serious all the time. So that is the reason why I tried to change the format of a period film. अच्छा बाहर की पिक्चर देख लेंगे. Troy, Braveheart, this. But then when it comes to the multiplex thingy out here, they don't want to see this. And for all my fans that have watched the film and have said कि सल्लू भाई को मरना नहीं चाहिए था एंड में. It's a भैया film. वो स्टोरी उसके बिना इनकम्प्लीट है. जाओ देखो और फिर वापस भी तो आते हैं यार.
In fact, what do you have to say to your fans? In fact, I've seen responses from huge number of your fans. The way they love you and adore you, and the way they defend you, it's amazing. Very, very few stars have that kind of adulation.
देखो feeling is mutual, बाबा. I love them and I adore them too. सब लोग multiplex के ऊपर concentrate कर रहे हैं. I know कि ticket prices बहुत हैं. Multiplex के popcorn का price बहुत है. और कहीं ना कहीं ये overseas multiplex, you can't make a film for revenue. You got to make a film because you want to make a film because you believe in a film. अब वो multiplex में चले और single theaters में चले, that is a different thing. You can't decide कि ये multiplex की picture और ये single screen की picture. Picture होती है, कहीं पे भी चलती है. तो अब ये Wanted और वीर single screens के अंदर बहुत चली है. Wanted भी ठीक ठाक चली है multiplex के अंदर. But single screen के अंदर these films, because we need heroes. I mean, it's not only कि ये कि मेरी पिक्चर है इसलिए, but even if in place of me there was some other hero doing it, these scripts, it would have done well there.
So I think your persona has definitely come through. The way your physique has been there and the way you kind of say the dialogues, the persona has made an impact.
Revenue की वजह से masses को भूल ही गए थे. Wanted से हाउसफुल के बोर्ड वहाँ पे से लगना शुरू हुए. अब यहाँ पे वीर में. तो this is a large, it's a big revenue. It is. I don't believe कि जब तक आप mass में loved नहीं हो, तब तक आप स्टार नहीं हो.
We'll take up one more. This is by same guy and he says that a well-made movie in all respects. The movie is very good. Chuck the reviewers, they are all biased. I doubt whether they have ever directed a movie or even visited a set for that matter.
I've been getting text messages.
There should be at least a minimum criteria, eligibility, qualification for reviewers to review the movie. At least they should have 20 years of movie making experience or at least worked as a spot boy for 20 years.
I've been getting text messages from fans saying, ये मेरे दद्दा की तलवार फिरंगियों के लिए नहीं, critics की गर्दनों के लिए है.
There is a certain observation that Wanted got very good reviews. Will you agree with that?
Yeah.
Even the hard-nosed ones who have not given that.
See, I'll tell you what, जो stories निकलना शुरू हुए कि अनिल शर्मा और मेरे झगड़े हो रहे.
Right.
All that, Tinu Verma का झगड़ा हो गया. Salman is not getting along with Anil Sharma. See, all these things, audience को तो बाद में पता चलता है. But industry के अंदर, ये बातें, छोटी industry, ये बातें बहुत फैल जाती हैं. तो उसके वजह से कहीं ना कहीं एक नेगेटिविटी आना शुरू हो गई थी कि अरे ये पिक्चर में कोई गड़बड़ है इसलिए झगड़े हो रहे हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. इट इज जस्ट अ डिस्कशन, इज जस्ट thing for the betterment of the film.
We'll take one more. It is by Ketan Gupta and he says that if it would not have been for Salman Khan, I wouldn't have seen the movie in theatre. The story was good along with amazing cinematography, visuals and stunning sets, but the soul of the movie, which is script, turns all the efforts completely down. There is a certain perception that the screenplay somewhere was lacking. Do you agree?
See, I'll tell you what it is. It is me dying towards the end of the film. That is the only thing.
In fact, even as an audience, even I felt that you shouldn't be gonna.
Veer hai, how can Veer die? But then if this character doesn't die, there's no script. He's a doomed character right from the beginning. He had to die for a script and he comes back. You know, the first scene of the film, which was actually written.
The flashback, the way it goes.
But it's not there in the film. It is when that child is come. He says, Roya, the child is born. Is a Roya kya? He says, nahi. It's a Veer is back. He comes out. It's a Veera. Mera Veer, mere paas phir se aa gaya. You know, that one of those kind of things. Sure. And then from there he goes into flashback and you see the whole film and he comes back to this, that Veer is back.